The Holo Habitat Time Machine AI has just been released, and if you're wondering what makes it so special, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this revolutionary AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just looking for the next big thing in tech, this review will give you all the insight you need. Before we start, if you're intrigued by what you hear, you can actually try Holo Habitat Time Machine AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to see what it can do for yourself. Now, let's get right into it. The Holo Habitat Time Machine AI is a game changer, especially when it comes to automating complex tasks. It's designed to simulate future scenarios, track past trends, and provide real-time predictions that can revolutionize how you approach problem solving. Think of it as an AI that lets you travel through time to make decisions with the benefit of foresight. First, this AI is not just a tool, it's a powerful platform. It integrates seamlessly with a variety of workflows, which is a huge plus if you're looking to incorporate it into your current system without overhauling everything. You can use it in industries ranging from marketing and business analytics to research and even personal productivity. It's a versatile asset that offers far more than just predictions. One of the standout features is its deep learning capabilities. The AI continuously improves and adapts to your input, which means that over time, it becomes more accurate and tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're using it for business forecasts or personal projects, this AI evolves with you, providing better recommendations the more you use it. Another incredible feature is its ability to process massive datasets. We all know how overwhelming data can be, but Holo Habitat Time Machine AI simplifies the process by breaking down complex data into digestible insights. It helps you spot trends, correlations, and outliers that you might have missed otherwise, saving you valuable time and effort. Holo Habitat Time Machine AI also offers an intuitive interface. For those of you who aren't technical experts, this is a big win. The learning curve is minimal, and you don't have to be a data scientist to take full advantage of its capabilities. Plus, it offers a range of visual tools to help you understand the AI's predictions and recommendations. If you're wondering about its reliability, the software is built with high-end security protocols. Your data is protected with encryption, so you can rest easy knowing that your sensitive information is safe when interacting with this AI. What really sets this software apart, though, is its potential for personalization. It doesn't just spit out generic recommendations, it customizes its advice based on your unique inputs. So, whether you're running a business or simply trying to make smarter personal decisions, it can adapt its strategy to meet your specific goals. Finally, the pricing structure is surprisingly reasonable. Given the power and sophistication of this AI, you'd expect it to come with a hefty price tag. But Holo Habitat Time Machine AI offers a free trial, giving you a chance to experience its capabilities before committing to a plan. It's an excellent way to dip your toes in without any risk. So, if you're looking for an AI software that can predict future trends, analyze massive datasets, and give you tailored insights, Holo Habitat Time Machine AI might just be the tool you need. Again, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. And if you're interested in other AI tools I recommend, after testing thousands of them, be sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore these incredible tools for yourself.